We are in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're gonna check out the Phoenix Zoo. We're gonna check out all the fun animals around here, so let's go! The Phoenix Zoo is one of the largest non-profit zoos in the United States. It cares for about 3,000 animals with nearly 400 species represented, including threatened and endangered species. The zoo first opened on November 21st, 1962. It was much bigger than I expected because there was 125 acres of land and there's even 2.5 miles of walking trails. Wherever we go, we love visiting the zoos because each of them has a unique characteristic. Welcome back, Chronicles. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. All right, so when you get here, general admission, you'll be good. But if you come during like the Christmas time, it's at 4 o'clock, it closes, and then they have zoo lights that happens over here. So as you can see right here, they're not turned on yet, but they'll turn that on later on. But there is an additional fee for that. Why do they keep turning their heads? Whoa! Uh-oh. This guy's coming at me. I've never seen them open up like that. Uh-oh. I'm gonna step back. Good flamingo. And today, we have my brother Lee and his family. So Lee is my brother. You've seen him before. And he is 10 years younger than me.
Decade.
But don't I look younger? So what we used this time was the Pogo Pass. You're able to go like almost 20 things. What they gave us was like a barcode. We came in, checked it in. Very simple. So we're pretty excited. You have like 1 year to use it. And one thing I like about coming to the zoo at different places we travel is a little bit of unique element. Look at this. Right here, there's the water. And in there, they got monkeys. I was a little worried that they would just come over here and attack me, but since Lee says they're good, I've never seen a setup this way before. So where we are is Pagado Park, and right in here, we were just here previously for Hole in the Rock, and you have Phoenix Zoo, and right next to here is also the Botanical Gardens. So if you're in the Phoenix area, you can hit a lot of this all at one time. African painted dogs. Look at this guy, he's like showing off. I haven't seen animals this active at a zoo in a long time. Look at this.
So during the summer, when the animals are really hot, all they do is hide in the shade and usually are far and hard to find.
And it's hot here, right? Like it's like 120 degrees?
Like 120, yeah, it gets that hot. But when it's cold, like 60 degrees, like right now, it's perfect because the animals come and they're walking around looking for food and not just hiding in the shade or sleeping in the shade. This side is where we hide during the summer because there's a lot of trees by the orangutans and the tigers up here.
It's that hot, huh?
Yeah. And then once it gets cool again, then we start walking again.
Now let's see if we can get a postcard for our Patreons. For only $3 a month at Patreon, we'll send you a postcard each month. I'll put the link down below. The next place we're going to is a place called the Sanctuary. So this is where the cheetahs are at. Let's see if we get a closer look over here. Look at that cheetah. If you go in there, I guarantee they'll be fast and chase you.
We don't want to experience that.
What's wrong, Rosalie? What's happened?
It's stinky.
It's stinky. Oh man, look at these two. Cousin Leon and Rosalie. You having fun at? Oh, what is that pose? Come on, Spider-Man. Okay, see you later, Miles Morales.
Yeah, sunny days, no clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter, brandy, honey, it don't matter.
What'd you guys find over here?
A dragon?
Yeah, it's a kimono dragon.
Yeah, it doesn't cry.
No, it doesn't fly. Not these type of dragons.
Not that kind.
But they are pretty big though, aren't they? If you like our content, make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. What do you like best about the zoo?
Probably the petting zoo. The petting zoo, the goats. They have a petting zoo. They have lots of goats. Love goats.
And you guys have a membership here too, don't you?
We do.
I
Ever since we got here, we have that membership and we're able to take advantage of it.
That makes it easy when you have visitors like us.
Exactly.
Right now it's Operation Monkey Village. You ready for some Monkey Village?
Yeah.
For those that are long channel subscribers, you know that when I was in Africa, I was chased by a baboon. So this is pretty scary. I don't know. Why are you laughing? That's just mean. Yeah, I was 4 years old with a sandwich in my hand when the baboon decided to chase me. And there's a scene from like Jurassic Park. I'm gonna be safe, right?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, man. You're safe.
All right. I trust you.
I don't know, last time I got one jumped on me. Oh, and then
Oh.
totally kidding. I saw you concerned, I thought.
Yeah.
Folks are messing with me.
There's one in there. Hold on, Leon.
For this enclosure, you're enclosed so they can't get out, but they're close enough to you. What is going on? They don't do this in Illinois. We actually got here at closing time, so we weren't sure how much we were able to see in a short amount of time. But for some reason, all the animals are out right now. So I literally have seen more animals going around in the past 45 minutes than I have like being at a zoo all day. We're gonna try to catch a few more before they kick us out. As you can see, not many people other than us running around here right now.
They're like tall and lanky looking.
I'm seeing a lot of different things at the zoo that I've not seen in any other zoo. Lee's all excited. What's going on, Lee?
The lion's right over there. It never walks around. Check it out.
Okay, let's go.
The times that we come, yeah.
Oh, the lion's out. We gotta run. He says this never really happens. Oh man, there it is.
Can you see him?
There he is.
See him back there?
Now that's a lion. Okay, that's something I don't want to be chasing me.
No, he's usually just laying there, trying to find shade, not walking around. I think he's about to eat dinner, that's why.
So we got really lucky that we saw the lion running around today.
Oh, yeah. Real lucky.
I like this zoo. It's really well done, and I've never actually been here before. But I would like to come here again and just spend the day here. I think it'd be really nice.
Click the end card right here if you want to learn more about the hole in the rock.